Hi everybody, Larry Gould with Music to Your Inbox, and this week another great question from a realtor. This one has to do with tying the matrimonial knot. A young couple wants to get married, go off on their honeymoon and come back and immediately buy a house. The thing is, they want to use those wedding gifts, though, that $100 bill, that $200 check, that $50 check, all these gifts combined towards their down payment. The question is, can they do that? The answer is yes, they can do that, but it comes with a warning. You definitely want to plan this in advance. You may even want to coach your guests on the best way to give you the gift, because it can easily become a paper trail nightmare. I hope finding this useful. My name is Larry Gould, and I spell that U surrounded by gold.